This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Suburban. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, cooled seats, an air suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a DVD player, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, adjustable driver pedals, and 10 perfectly positioned speakers, producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
DuPala Chevrolet is located at 785 Central Avenue in Albany. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.